In the next 5 years, millions of Americans will lose their jobs, and not because of economic crises or human errors. The real reason is artificial intelligence. It's transforming industries faster than anyone expected. AI is no longer the future. It's already here, quietly taking over tasks humans used to do every day. Offices, factories, and online businesses are being automated at a staggering pace. Millions of routine jobs are at risk. First in line, data entry workers, whose tasks AI can do faster, more accurately, and without breaks. Customer support agents are next, replaced by intelligent chatbots and AI voice assistants that never sleep. Truck drivers and delivery workers are also vulnerable, as self-driving vehicles and drones take over logistics. Even junior accountants and entry-level content writers face disruption, as AI can analyze numbers and generate content instantly. Companies today care about speed, efficiency, and cost. Loyalty or experience is no longer enough to secure your job. Understanding AI, adapting to change, and building new skills is no longer optional. It's the difference between staying ahead or being left behind. Prepare yourself, learn about AI, protect your career, and understand how money and technology will shape the next decade. Make smart decisions and secure your future before it's too late.